Alright guys, in this bonus lecture I'm going to bring you another feature of Snagit that I think is really, really cool. It might make your life a little bit easier if you're using Snagit, so you don't have to scroll, it'll just do it for you. And I'll show you what I mean by that in a second. Obviously, let's just get out of the way, there's no other better alternative that's going to be 100% accurate that's, like actually purchasing Atomic Email Hunter. And so, I believe it's $80. When you actually purchase the software yourself, there's so many features that come along with that. So obviously you can export to Office, you can export to Excel, you can even, obviously scroll down all the way to the bottom, like let's click on the front one and assume that we scrolled all the way down to the bottom and click this. What that would do for you is, literally copy all the emails, and then you could right click and just send an email bulk right from Atomic Email Hunter. So that's a really cool feature. You don't need an email service or anything like that. You just file it right through here. And that's a really, really cool feature. All those things are amazing. So, is it worth the $80? Probably. I would venture to say so. Those are really, really cool features. Just the fact that you can export to Excel or Word or open in an Office, that gives you 100% accuracy on all your emails. That's worth the $80 in my opinion, in and of itself. Now, I do want to preface this by saying you don't need that software whatsoever. I myself have not purchased that software. I know people that have it and swear by it and love it, but I do not own it. I just use the cracked version because I'm okay with, 60, 70, 80, potentially 90% accuracy on my emails, just because you can generate so many of them, and it's been making me money that I don't necessarily need the software. But if you're looking for targeted email leads, with 100% accuracy, you don't want to miss out on potential sales, potential leads. Totally understand that. I'll link the Atomic Email Hunter download for you in this lecture. I'll put it in a Word document, so it'll be attached to this actual bonus lecture. And then in the bonus lectures and the extras article on the last lecture of the actual course before the bonus lectures, I will link it there for you too. So you feel free to download it there. Like I said, it's most likely worth purchasing, but I myself have not done it. I just use the cracked version. That's the only way that you're going to get 100% accuracy. But I'm not here to talk to you about that right now. I'm here to show you another cool feature of Snagit and how you can just automate that process for you. So really, really fast, what you do is you drag all these over. So you'll see that I'm at the top here, but all the other things are gone. So you're going to drag your owner over all the way out of your screen so it's not in view. And then you're going to go to Snagit and you're going to hit capture again, just like I showed you in the past. And it's going to bring up this, this window right here. Before you click, you'll see it dragging all over the place. And what you want to do is you want to put it here in the middle, and then you're going to click this down arrow. And what that's going to do is it's going to start vertical scrolling for you and just capture everything in this yourself. And that is a way that you can get that text. So I'll show you. We're just going to sit here and wait for it for, not 10 seconds. It'll probably take maybe a minute as you see it going fast. But, very cool feature, so you don't have to scroll with it. You don't have to worry about getting those, if you have a really, really long email list and you start scrolling, you'll notice that every once in a while you get like a choppy part of it. It's not the end of the world, but, it's just, this is free. So, it works phenomenally for that being free. But like I said, if you do the screen rolling like this feature shows you right here, it will eliminate all those choppy parts. So very, very cool. I've been doing this a little bit myself, but sometimes I prefer to scroll with shorter email lists. But this is just another feature that I wanted to bring you. So it's pretty cool. In some future bonus lectures, I'm going to go into actually going into Craigslist and harvesting emails out of Craigslist, which is pretty cool. And you can do this, literally you're only limited by the vastness of your imagination. You can also go into Yellow Pages and target niches in Yellow Pages, and I'll show you how to pull out emails out of Yellow Pages. We'll also go into LinkedIn, and then I'll go into Facebook and kind of show you that too. It's a really, really cool, really, really easy way to get targeted emails. I'm actually going to stop this because we're not going to sit here and wait for a minute or two. I don't want to waste your time, but it's very, very cool. Try this feature out. And like I said, if you're looking to actually buy the service so you get 100% accuracy on all your email leads, so you can, you're not missing any sales, I'll link that in the Word document attached to this bonus lecture too.